Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another palette bingo. That is why my makeup is not done. And for today's palette bingo, if you haven't seen the title, is using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. If you guys want to see how this is going to go, I'm very nervous. Then keep watching. If you don't know what palette bingo is, it's basically where you grab a palette and you go into a random number generator on Google. Literally just Google random number generator and it comes right up. Type in the number of shades in the palette. And so this one's 1 through 35, but I'm going to explain what I'm going to be doing there because I'm not using all 35 shades. Type that in and then you let it generate. You pick 5 numbers because BINGO. And those are the 5 shadows you need to use to create a look. So I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Like I said, this is what it looks like. So because there are 35 shades in here, I'm really going to use 32. I'm not using this like iridescent, this black, and this white shade. I want it to be all colorful because that is what you guys wanted. We're doing an all colorful palette. So I'm really using 32 shades. Also, on this piece of paper, I have written down the numbers of how this is going to work. So because these don't have names, I'm going to just say the number that I'm using. I hope that makes sense and it just will make my life easier. So this is going to help me figure out what shades I'm using. So this can go one of 2 ways because this palette is so colorful. I could have like a guardian angel on my side and I can just use a whole row and then maybe one fun color. That'd be awesome. Or it could be a complete utter disaster and I have to use 5 different random colors. So we shall see how this is going to go. I'm going to get set up here as best as I can. And I have my 1 through 32 on my random number generator. And we're generating 11. 11 is a orange. So this is 11 right here. It's actually really pretty. 24. Okay, interesting. 24 is a purple right here. Very pretty. Next number is 16, which is another like purpley. This is like a blue, like a royal blue. Okay. I'm also marking, I forgot, I took a marker and I'm marking down what numbers I'm getting like in real bingo, just so I can remember as I do the look because I have a brain of like a goldfish. All right, next we have a 23, which is a blue, another bluey, like a navy. So that's 23 right there. For the last shade, I kind of like a green for the last shade. 32, we're not doing 32 because it's another purple. I really don't want another purple. Number 1, which is this super light pink. I'm not really thrilled with these color choices. So again, we have 11, which is this orangey. Then we have 24, which is this purpley. Then 16, which is like a navy blue, royal blue. Then we have 23, which is more of like a navy, and 1, which is a pale pink. So this is going to be interesting. To prime my eyelids, I'm going to be using this NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer. And I'm just going to pop this on my eyelids with my finger. This concealer is a really good primer, but it works even like the best with these shadows from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to blend it out with this little sponge from Emax Design. I have the box over here. I really like these sponges. And this is just perfect for blending out because it's so little. So after staring at the shades for a minute, I kind of figured out in my head what I want to do. So let's get into this look. I feel like it's going to be a hot mess. So first I'm going to be taking 11, which is that orange, and I'm going to pop that in the crease. So next I'm going to pick up 23 on the same brush, and I'm just going to pop that in the crease as well. Next up, with this BH eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be dipping into 16, and I'm going to place this all over the lid. Just gonna give the crease one good blend with my Morphe M441 brush with nothing on it. Next, I'm going to go back into my NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer. And I'm going to take a smaller BH eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to just take this in the center of my eye and do a halo. Now, I don't know why I put down this blue all over my lid. That was a stupid mistake, but you know. Gonna really layer the concealer on because I made a dumb mistake, and put this blue all over. I'm going to use the same eyeshadow brush that I used to apply 16 to apply shade number 1, and I'm just going to pop this where I applied that concealer. Next, I'm going in with my finger and that number 1 shade and just gonna go over that again. And then I'm going to go in with 16 and my ring finger and just really fix where I took it a little too far. And then I'm going to go back in with number 1 and do the same again. And I'm going to go in with this ColourPop blending brush and the shade 24, and I'm just going to run this along the lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with my Morphe M441 with nothing on it and just really blend out that lower lash line to the crease. I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back to show you guys the finished look. So this is the finished look. Off camera, I used the Maybelline Curvitude liner along the lash line, and then the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Voodoo in the waterline. And then for lips, I just wanted to keep it super simple, so I added the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. I don't think I did too bad with this look. Like I said, I wish I got a yellow or a green or something. Besides all the blues and the purples. It's very strange that I got a bunch of blue and purple. How do you think I did? Let me know in the comments down below. Once I really added the liner and the mascara, I think the look really like pulled together and looked better. I did wish I had added falsies. I was just having a hard time today with my falsies, so that's why I didn't add them. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this palette bingo using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to also follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!